Alright guys, I couldn't get it to pop and gurgle and stuff like that. The road's just too short. I'm sorry the past video was kind of bad. It was loud, there was a lot of wind blowing, a lot of cars, and where I had to circle around, it just took a little while. Wasn't as good as I thought it would be, but I'm still going to put it up for those who want to see it. Now I'm just going to do a pretty generic exhaust rev thing so you can get a better idea of how it sounds. I'm going to do it quick so I don't bother too many people, and I hope you guys like the way it sounds. Okay, I hope that's what you guys were looking for on sound. Let me know if you guys like it. I'm really wrestling with the idea of putting MagnaFlow on it, and I guess we'll see where we go from there. And I really appreciate you guys' input and support. Thanks again for watching, and let me know what you think about the car so far. Like I said, I still got a lot to do on it, but it's coming along really nicely. Thank you.